Hey guys, it's Tarjay with Everlasting Beauty, and today I am here to do a video with mostly the Milani products. And I'm going to use quite a few. I'm going to use the Malani Make It Last, and this one is the 3-in-1 primer. It's lightweight. It says it's lightweight. It primes, it corrects, and it sets. So this is new to me. As you can see, I'm about to use this for the first time. Also, I'll be using the Milani Correct Perfect, the 2-in-1 foundation concealer. And my natural color for this brand is number 11, Amber. And then I'm gonna use to conceal, I'm gonna go ahead and use tan, the number 9. So I'll be using both of these products. What I'm most excited about is the strobe light. I know I'm late, this has been out. Okay, I get it, but for me, I haven't used it. I heard about it, but I haven't used it. So this right here is $9.99, and this gives you more of a pink shimmer. I always do the bronzy, goldy type thing, so I wanted to try something totally different. I already had was the Milani powder, shine proof, but I won't be using this today. I'm just gonna stick to the creams today. And I also went out and bought the Teddy Bear lipstick by Milani. Ooh, isn't she lovely? I'm gonna go ahead and do my eyeshadow. I'm not actually using the Milani eyeshadow, so I'm gonna do that off camera because I want everything to be focused on the Milani products for today. Thank you guys for watching, and I'll be right back. Hey guys, I am back from doing my eyeshadow, and I applied some Demi eyelashes by Ardell. So now I am going to get to what I was talking about earlier, which was the Milani products. So first I'm gonna use the 3-in-1 primer, and I'm gonna go ahead and mist that on my face. I have nothing on my skin, so I'm gonna go ahead and start with this. Ooh, it actually smells really good. Okay, so it's setting my face, it's priming my face and everything. So let's see. Ooh, it's real tacky. I'm liking that. Because if it's tacky, then it's good. Okay, so now I'm going to start with my concealer, the 2-in-1 Milani foundation concealer, and I'm going to use Amber in the number 9. Now I am going to apply it with my finger at first. That's one pump. I do forehead, nose, and cheeks. See, I already ran out. And I do a half a pump to finish it out, because a little goes a long way, as they say. And I'm going to use my Diamond Technique sponge, like I always do. It's damp because I cleaned it, at least I tried. And I'm going to go ahead and blend all of that in. See how that color just melted into my skin? So this is like a really good, affordable drugstore 2-in-1 foundation, and I think you should try it. I don't think you'll be disappointed. Where is it? Oh, right here. So I'm going to use the number 9 tan, and I'm going to use it for my under eye. I'm going to do a pump. I might have did too much, but we're going to see. I know this is not how the ideal to apply it, but I'm gonna wrong go right way. As long as it's on there and it looks good. So there you have it. Those are the spots that I want to, when the light shines, I want it to look good. So I'm going to use my mini Real Technique little sponge that I always use, and I'm going to go ahead and blend that in. Now again, this is my first time using this particular 2-in-1 foundation to highlight my face. You can tell the difference. It's light, then it's my skin tone, and then it's light again. Now you don't have to come all the way out here, so I'm gonna flip my beauty blender to just kind of blend it in, take away that line. Now what I did forget was to conceal right here because I have smile lines. So annoying. So I have to go that extra mile to eliminate that, which I did not do. Ooh, I'm actually really in love with that. Whoa, Milani, girl. Why haven't I been tried this? This was really good. I'm gonna go ahead and set it with my L'Oreal Mercier setting powder. I always set with this, and I don't actually use a sponge and tap it in. I actually use my Real Technique contour brush. I actually use that to set my powder. Sometimes I use a sponge, but majority of the time this is what I use. Can you see the difference? Bang, bang. And I am still pushing the product into my skin. I'm not just swooping it off there. That's what I do last when I want to take off the excess powder. So now that I highlighted, I'm going to contour my face, and I'm going to use my LA Girl Espresso. I'm going to use Espresso. Only because I wish I would have bought another one of these. I wasn't thinking. But it's fine because, do I want espresso or do I want something darker? I think I'm going to go with something darker. The dark chocolate. How about that? So, the dark chocolate is. Go ahead and go over it. Oh! And I'm trying to rush because my little one keeps coming downstairs. Bam, bam. Hey, you're gonna knock over my table. Alright, I'm gonna go ahead and blend that in with another little beauty blender by Real Technique, my mini one. So I'm using mini one, and it is damp, and I'm gonna go ahead and blend that in really quick like beauty blender. And then I like to go back in with my buffer brush and buff it. Now I had this buffer brush by Bella Pro for a long time, and as you can see, it's adding some shadow to my face because, like I stated in my other video, the only thing that the foundation does is makes everything one color, and nobody in this world skin is exactly the same color. So now take my buffing brush, Bella Pro, like I stated earlier, and all I do is act just like a buffer, and I just buff it in. Look at that. See how that disappears? No lines, no beginning and ending, start and finish. It's all just one nice color. Even with the nose. Now the nose, I like to take Bella Pro contouring brush and go ahead and just like buff that in. And you just keep buffing till you get it to where you want it to be. And that's it. And that's it. I love it actually. So I'm gonna go ahead and spray some more of the setting spray on there, just to dry up some of that powder. And it said hold 8 to 10 inches from your face, just like the hairspray when you spray your hair. Makes sense to me. A generous amount, remember that. It smells, yes, I'm loving it. Yo, this look is good. So next I'm going to go in with the Milani strobelight highlighter, luminous, and this is in the number 1. They have quite a few out, but I specifically chose this one for the champagne look because I always do the bronze and the gold and the brown, so I wanted to try something different, something more soft and settled. So let's see. Well, what I am going to do is I am going to go in with my Sephora Micro Smooth real quick to just smooth out everything. I've always used this on everything. And I'm using my Real Technique dual fiber brush. And I like this brush because it's real light, like you can get a lot of product with just enough. And I put it everywhere. Some people, they say they don't put it under their under eye because they don't want it to change. Well, that's kind of weird because mine doesn't change, and I think it's because I'm using this type of brush versus something that's like heavy. Like this just applies the right amount, and I love it. See, there we have it. And now I'm going to go ahead and use my strobelight. Bam! It's a soft color, like I said, so we're gonna see how it applies. The moment I've been waiting for. Ooh, snap. Yo, I knew it was the truth. I knew it was. Yo, she wasn't ready. But this is really nice, yo. This give you don't even need a lot. This give you like, look at that. Look how that applies. It don't make no sense. Oh, Jesus, save me now. I'm only gonna put a little bit right here, yo. I should have used this to highlight my brow bone. Look at that flawless glow. Yo, you can't tell me nothing. I think I put too much. Ooh, yes. Oh, let me stop. I'm applying too much, y'all. I done got happy. The Pixie by Petra, the dual rose gold, but I'm not gonna use the gold part because I'm already shining. So I'm just gonna use the rose gold blush part. The Physician. And I am gonna tone that highlight down a little bit because I think I got carried away. I know I got carried away. Jesus. I'm gonna use the Teddy Bear lip in number 29. It's really nice. Look at that color. I don't do color, but I'm gonna do color today. I thought it would go with my eyes. And then I have 2 of the NYX liners. Okay. So I'm gonna go ahead and line my lips with the nutmeg. Ooh, I need to clean that up. Now I did add some NYX lip plumper before this, and that was just to give it some more fullness because my lips are already big. Okay, so now I'm gonna go ahead and put on her, see how she looks. How you doing? Let's see. Oh, that blends right in. And look, I already got it on my tooth. Oh my god, guys, this smells really good. Like, dang. Let me find out all the Milani products smell good. What you guys think? So I'm gonna add some brown to this look, only because I don't like it. I like it, but I like it when the outside is a little darker. I thought the nutmeg was gonna be darker, but it actually blended right into the teddy bear. There she is. Now that's more of me. I love it, love it, love it. So I gotta do something with this hair, and I'll be right back with the finished look. Look at that highlight. Alright, catch you in the next video.